It's over. All of our hard work paid off. It turned out nice. I'm just supposed to be showing you those lollipops, and that's all I'm going to show you in this video, besides this stuff from the ball. Everything turned out nice. So much work, but it turned out nice. Okay, so back to the lollipops. These lollipops. Took a piece of foam board. Well, it was 2 foam boards, and I think I cut them in half. Can't quite remember. And put the pieces together in what it looks like these cylinder-like thingies. And then I took these strips and I glued them, as you can see, on the tops and made little round parts and stuff. Let's be for real. This was a process that was unnecessary in all of its different little forms. Yeah, I made these little popsicles, lollipop forms, and I ended up cutting those sticks down a little bit, thank God, because that was just crazy. And then I plastered them. I did a lot of things to that just to get them to look like this. This is it. That glare is crazy because it literally cracks all inside of this thing. That's the only downside of using a plaster. If you can't really sand like you really need to, it's because I ripped it off that box that I had on. Like you need to, then, you know, you can't. It's not going to be smooth. But with the plastic bag on there, nobody is going to notice nor care. It's nice and sturdy-ish. Depends, though, because the other one cracked up here. It's not really, I want to be sword fighting with it, like, you know, lightsaber type things. But you definitely can just use it as a prop. Nice and cute. Don't drop it on the ground. It's going to crack. Depends, though, like I keep saying, because this one seems to be super sturdy, but the other one I made is just a no. It's a no. But yeah, we was only using them. Hi, Becky. Yeah, we were only using them for the table props, and they turned out as much as, nice as they were supposed to turn out. And yeah, but like I said, I did this with foam board, and then I plastered it, and then I painted it. I don't think I ever said that I painted it. Yeah, and I painted it. And you're not gonna. It's pretty hard. This one is actually pretty sturdy, I guess. Yeah, I have no measurements because lazy lazy people don't make measurements and things like that. Only because half the time I'm not remaking a lot of things that I make, unless it's like my letters or my numbers, those things I have little templates and stuff for. But yeah, this little lollipop turned out to be okay. They did what it was supposed to do for a sweet table. They weren't perfect, but they were perfect enough for what we were doing, and it turned out cute. And that's all I have for right now.